Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. So guys, Picsart sketch editing. So I will show you how to do this sketch editing in Picsart. So now for this you have to go to your application, Picsart application, and then you have to go to your Picsart application and click on the plus icon, and now you have to select your model here. Anyone you want to edit, you can select from here. I will select this, and at the downside of your screen you can see the effects button. Click on effects, and now you can see sketch here. This is filter, effects, and sketch. Click on sketch, and now just you simply click on the first sketch. Wait for a second. See how it's so easy to put the sketch on your photo. And now here is it for here you have four different varieties of sketches. So you can try this, or you can try this, or this is a double sketch, or you can try this number 4. So this is how you can edit the sketch for Picsart application. So now you have to click on write, and then you can save it. This is how you can do. Thanks for watching.